In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a quiz comprised of sections of questions. From the course home, we're going to navigate to the Grades tab, and we're going to find the Quizzes tool. Okay. Instead of going straight to making a new quiz, we're going to go to the question library. And at this point, we're going to create sections. Now you can see that I have a bunch of sections already in my question library. I'm going to show you how to make those sections. Okay. We're going to click New, create section, and then section. We're going to name this section whatever we want. I'm going to name it Section 3. We can shuffle the questions in this section, and we're going to click Save. I'll do one more. Save and New, and we'll do Section 4. And we can provide a description if we want to at this point. I'm not going to. Then we can shuffle the questions in this section, click Save. And what we'll see is at the bottom here, we have Section 3 and Section 4. Now these sections are completely empty of questions, so I'm not going to use these when I actually import the sections over. I'm going to do these previous two sections I've created, the Hobbit Unit 1 and the Hobbit Unit 2, because I've already created questions in there. And you can see those questions right there. There are 10 in that one. And there are 2 in the next section, the one that's called the Hobbit Unit 2. So I'm going to come back to those in a little bit. Now let's assume that we've created our sections, we've put our questions in the sections, and we're going to navigate back to the quiz option. We're going to click Done Editing Questions, and now we're ready to create our quiz. We're going to select New Quiz. We're going to call this Quiz 2. Using question library. We're going to add or edit our questions. All right. And instead of choosing the add, we're going to import browse question library. So at this point, we're going to navigate to the sections that we want to use. Again, I said I'm going to use this Hobbit Unit 1 and the Hobbit Unit 2. Click both of those. Click Add, and there we have 10 questions under Hobbit Unit 1 and 2 questions under the Hobbit Unit 2. Now, assuming that I have all of the questions that I want, I'm going to go to the top here and click back to Settings for Quiz 2 using Question Library. And then I can go ahead and finish off the Properties, Restrictions, Assessment, and Submission Views tabs as I did previously, or however I wish to have it